welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, we have beautiful bra cup here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I made this. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into our tutorial. So with this tutorial, I'm going to use my 3mm hook and my pink acrylic yarn, which is 8-ply. Okay, so to start our project, we're going to do a slip knot. And we are going to make 20 chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay, so once you have your 20 chain, we are going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So skip this one, and the next one single crochet, and the next single crochet, and the next single crochet. So when you do a single crochet, is you insert your hook in the stitch, and then yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you up to the end of the row. Okay, guys, once we have our chain and I have 1 stitch left, okay, so in this last stitch we're going to do a 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 in the same space. Okay, then after that we are going to do 1 single crochet in each chain, okay, all the way to the end of the row. So just 1 single crochet. We're just mirroring what we did in the other side of this row. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so continue doing that, guys, until you get to the end. Okay, so we are finished with our row. So what we're going to do here is chain 1 and turn our work. Okay, so in the same space, okay, we're going to do a single crochet, and the next single crochet, single crochet. So this row and to the next row will be a single crochet. Okay, and then when you get to the top, I will meet you up there. Okay, guys, so we are here on the top. Okay, so this is in our middle. So in our middle, we are going to put 3 single crochet in the same space. So this will be a repeat. Okay, every row we're going to put it on the top. We're going to put 3 single crochet, and we are going to continue putting 1 single crochet in each row until we get to the end of the row. Okay, guys, so we finish our row. Okay, so from here in the next row is chain 1 and then turn our work. What we're going to do here is in the first chain, we're going to single crochet and then single crochet until to the top. Okay, so continue doing that until to the top, and then to the top is you're going to put 3 single crochet in the middle, and then you go down and you will be doing single crochet in each row, and then we're going to repeat this 3 more times. So after this we're going to repeat 3 more times, and I'll come back and I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so we are done. So this is our middle. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows of single crochet. Now from here, 1 2 3 4, skip 1 chain, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so this row, as you can see, is our double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 row. Okay, so finish that guys, and I will meet you up on the top. Okay guys, so as you can see, we finished into our last stitch before the middle. This is our middle, and from here what we're going to do is just chain 1. Okay, and we are going to do or go inserting in the middle and do our double crochet, and then chain 2, and then in the same space we are going to do our double crochet and then chain 1. So because we finish here, we're going to double crochet in the first chain and then chain 1. Now we start from here, we are going to skip 1 and then double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so continue doing that guys until you get to the end, and I will meet you up there. Okay, so we are completed our row. From here, chain 1 and into the first chain, we're going to do our single crochet and into the space, single crochet on top of our double crochet, single crochet, and continue putting 1 single crochet in each chain. Okay, all around. Okay, so this is single crochet row. So on the top here we put 2 double crochet. We are going to put 2 single crochet there and then continue. Okay, so when you finish that, and then I'll meet you back again. Okay, so we have completed our row of single crochet. Now we are going to chain 4, and we will be doing this row here, the double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet row. Okay, so I'm going to show you that guys. So skip 1 and then double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so you can continue that guys, and when you got to the top, okay, when you got to the top, this top here, we have to do a double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet. Okay, so then continue doing that guys. We are going to do 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows of that, and then I'll come back when you have completed it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you what's going on here. So I have finished here in the last chain, so we have two here, and what I'm going to do is chain one, and in the first chain I'm going to put my double crochet and then chain two, and in the second chain I'm going to put my double crochet and then chain one, and the next one, because we finish into the last one, we're going to do our double crochet here and then chain one, and then we skip one and then double crochet. Okay, so continue doing that guys. Okay, and then you're going to repeat after this, you're going to repeat one more. Okay, and I will meet you back. Okay guys, so I am done. I have my 3 rows, so 1 2 3 there. Okay, so 3 repeats, not 3 rows but 3 repeats of our double crochet, chain one, skip one, so our like window. Okay, so from here we're going to chain one and turn our work. In the first chain we're going to do a single crochet and then single crochet in the second one, and from here we are going to wrap our yarn. Okay, and then skip two stitches, and in the third we are going to do our double crochet. Okay, so that's 2 3, and we're going to chain 3, and we're going to do a picot, and then single crochet to finish it off. And in the same stitch we are going to do 2 double crochet. Okay, so I will repeat that, 2 double crochet, and then in the third one on the top we are going to chain 3, and then we are going to make a picot, and then after that 2 more double crochet, so that is 5 double crochet in this shell. Okay, so after that we're going to skip 2, and the third chain we're going to single crochet, and then okay, so from here we're going to skip 2 again, 2 stitches, and in the third we're going to do another shell with picot on top. So this is our third, 1 2 3, chain 3, and single crochet to finish it off, and another 2 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, and then single crochet. So as you can see guys, this is how it looks like. So continue doing that guys until to the end. Okay, and I will meet you back in. Okay guys, so we are done. Okay, so with this one I'm just going to cut it off, and we're just going to hide this tail, and we are done with our cup. Okay, so thank you very much guys. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please hit that like button, and if you want to subscribe into my channel, smash that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. and I'm trying my best to be consistent this time. And as you can see, I've been very good, and I am back to my routine. Yeah, sometimes it's just get busy, but yeah, I'm doing my best. So hopefully guys, you support my channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.